In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Slack AI chatbot with a custom PDF in 15 minutes with NA10 Part 2. In this part of the build, we're moving beyond basic setup and creating the real intelligence behind the chatbot. The goal is to give your Slackbot the ability to read from a custom PDF, turn that document into searchable knowledge, and then use that knowledge to answer questions in a much more accurate and context-aware way. We'll start by building the PDF ingestion and vector store pipeline inside N8N. On your canvas, add a read binary file node as the first step. This node is responsible for loading your PDF directly into the workflow. In the file path field, enter the absolute path to the PDF you want to use as your knowledge source. This should point to the document stored on your local machine or server. Next, attach an AI agent node, or alternatively a retrieval QA chain node from N8N's advanced AI tools. This becomes the central coordination point for the workflow, helping connect the document processing and retrieval logic that powers your chatbot responses. Now we need to connect the supporting components that prepare the document for search. First, add a default document loader node and connect it to the binary file output. Under that, chain in a character text splitter node. Set the chunk size to 500 and the chunk overlap to 50. This is important because large documents need to be broken into smaller overlapping segments, so the AI can retrieve relevant context more effectively without losing meaning between sections. From the embeddings input, attach an OpenAI embeddings node and set the model to text embedding 3 small. This node converts each text chunk into numerical vectors so the system can compare meaning instead of just exact words. Be sure to connect your credentials securely in N8N rather than exposing any sensitive information. Then add an in-memory vector store node. If you want something temporary and fast for testing, this is a good choice. If you need long-term persistence later, you can switch to a production-ready vector database. Make sure both the document loader path and the embeddings output feed into this vector store so the PDF content is indexed correctly. Once the document memory side is ready, create a second workflow branch for live Slack interactions. Add a Slack trigger node and configure it to listen for the app mention event. This ensures the workflow only runs when someone directly mentions your bot in Slack. After that, attach a code node to clean the incoming message. Its purpose is to remove the bot mention tag, trim the text, and return the cleaned query along with the channel ID and thread timestamp, so replies stay organized in the same conversation thread. Once this is in place, your chatbot is ready to receive questions with cleaner input and a searchable document memory behind it.